Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics with a lot of amazing health benefits. Its exceptional health benefits makes it an active ingredient in several traditional and ancient medicines. Unfortunately, a lot of us use garlic the wrong way because we don't know the best way to use garlic to recover from some diseases and to enjoy its several benefits. If you take garlic in the right way mentioned in this video, you will enjoy numerous health benefits that can change your life. If you do use garlic, like this video to show your love for it and to know more about healthy tips, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Garlic improves heart health, reduces the triglyceride level in the body, easily manage diabetes and boost immunity. Garlic is also a powerful antibiotic. It can be used for infections, either virus, bacteria, or fungal infection. Garlic is very potent and special because there's no other antibiotics that can stand its place. No other antibiotics is used for different types of infections at the same time, but with garlic, you can deal with the 3 types of infection with ultimate effectiveness. What is the best way to take garlic? Studies show that when you cook garlic or expose it to heat, it reduces most of the active substances and nutritional values. This video will show you 2 best ways to take raw garlic in order to still retain its active substances, obtain the nutritional value and enjoy it many other health benefits. 1. Swallowing cloves of garlic. One of the best ways to take garlic is to swallow a whole clove of garlic, preferably on an empty stomach. Don't worry, garlic doesn't have a negative effect in this case. This is even better for those who suffer from stomach acidity. This method keeps the garlic complete with all nutrients until it gets to the intestines. Because the intestine is an alkaline, garlic will disintegrate and release its active substances, then the real effects of garlic will be produced in the body. Apart from its antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral effects, garlic also serves as anti-worm. It can also deal with infections in the colon. Several studies also show that garlic is an antioxidant and it reduces inflammation. It acts as anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, immune booster and lower the levels of bad cholesterol. 2. Mashed or chewed. When you eat garlic crushed or chewed, it brings out many organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that stimulates blood circulation as well as regulate the level of cholesterol. So, in order to get the whole health benefits of garlic, we must take it in the right way. Swallowing whole garlic cloves doesn't give the full benefits for the heart and arteries. Swallowing garlic may only limit its effect to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and lowering cholesterol benefits, but by crushing or chewing of garlic, many sulfur compounds and antioxidants are emitted, which stimulate blood circulation in the heart, reduces triglycerides and also clean the liver of fat. Therefore, to get the whole benefits of garlic, it's advisable to combine the 2 methods, namely, swallowing a clove of garlic on an empty stomach, then eating mashed or chopped garlic with food during lunch with plenty of water. That's all for today's video. If you have gained values from this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all our new videos. Thanks for watching.